Okay, welcome back guys. So I'm going to show you how to install the Windows 10 from the USB. Now throughout this video you can obviously search so you can find specific sections. First thing we're going to do is prep the installer, and you're going to need a blank USB drive with a capacity of at least 8 gigs to hold the files. Now first go to the browser and search for Windows 10 download. Click the result from Microsoft.com, the official Microsoft site, and click on download tool now. This tool would be about 20 megabytes, and you click yes to continue once you've selected your download file. Now you're gonna scroll to read the terms and conditions and accept. Now you're gonna create installation media, the second option, which is the USB flash drive or DVD. Now we're going to use a USB flash drive. Now you can use the recommended settings. This should be fine, or you can manually select the language and the architecture that you would prefer. Now to create the USB install, correct USB flash drive and click next, and you will see that you'll need at least 8 gigabytes. Ensure it is inserted into the computer, and if you're not seeing it, you can refresh the drivers list. But first you can try to format it to FAT32, and then you are selected to continue. Now you can just wait while the downloads are complete. The selection tool is downloading the necessary files, and once done you can go ahead and click finish. Now this is the next step where we start to install via the USB. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and plug the USB drive into the computer and ensure it is the only drive plugged into your computer. Now you're going to enter the BIOS. You can press F2 or F12 to enter the BIOS of your computer. Alright, and you're going to select the language, time zone, keyboard, and all of that. And then you can click install now. However, once you when you're doing the installation via the BIOS, you have to select the USB drive in which you're installing from as the primary boot method. So the USB drive has to be number 1 in the order for boot methods. Okay, so now we wait, and you'll be asked to enter the activation windows. If you do not have the activation key, you can install anyways. You can select the version of Windows that you prefer. You can go ahead and select Windows 10 Home Edition. That should work perfectly fine. Again, you have to read the license terms and click next. Now you have to click custom install, and from here you can create partitions, and you can select the hard drive that you would like to install the Windows 10 to and click next. Now we are installing Windows. Now we're just only waiting while this installation is complete. Again, you can create the partitions for any file size that you would prefer from your hard drive. And please do not interrupt the update process by restarting or shutting down your PC, so ensure it is plugged in or has enough charge. And once it is finally booted up, you'll be brought to the Windows 10 boot screen. From here, you can customize the operating system to your specific preference. Okay, now that the setup is complete, you go ahead and enter the name of the person using this PC, and you can create a password as well. You'll be asked to confirm your password and choose the privacy settings for your computer. And of course, these are up to you. You can go ahead and advance, and there you are. Setup is basically complete. The system is just gonna fine-tune the settings that you just made to your specific preference. And the setup is complete, and you're now at the desktop with the new copy of Windows 10 ready to go. And of course, thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful, go ahead and leave a like. You can also subscribe, and I hope you learned a lot from this video. If there is anything you missed, you can pause the video at any point, or you can also restart the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was of great help to you.